Hi guys, welcome back to another Banger video. Today, I'll teach you how to make a boat. First, you're going to need a life size. Make it anything to your size. For my size, it's going to be like this. And then, you have to freeze it so we can experiment on it. And now, you're going to grab propellers. But make sure to not face them like this because that's how they go up. That's how they go straight. So go like this. So basically you're going to put a propeller at the back. Sorry guys, I'm really sick today. Wait, something's off here. Okay, now it's not off. I'm just really confused. So basically we're going to grab this. And then we're going to grab another propeller. But this time, we need to disable others. So basically, it disables. Dude, come up. Okay. Let's try this again. And then you're basically doing a copy that, but with the other side. So basically, yeah, so you don't basically use this. So basically now it will make it like this. Oh no. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Okay, that was a situation. So basically, yeah, you're just gonna have to copy that same thing, but with 4. And then you're gonna connect them, kind of, and then turn them on. And get them ready. So basically, like that. Alright. They are. Oh my gosh! It's flying so fast! Oh my gosh! Dude, where is it? Wait, where the... Oh my gosh, it's like right there. Alright guys, that's